Hello everybody, we have marbled OOZ-O'S today. These fun things are going to be oozing with slime. Let's go ahead and open up our box and see what's inside to make our very own oozing slimy spheres. Woohoo! Okay, so in this bag we have our handy dandy instructions. This has all the tips and tricks we will need to make our special oozing slime. Then we have the base in here. We also have the activator. I think this is what's gonna make everything oozy and slimy. Then we have this thing, which will probably be to make our shape. We have our handy dandy spoon, our handy dandy popsicle stick, and our paint, which will probably make everything beautiful. Okay, so let's take a look at our instructions and see what we need. Okay, so the first step is I have 8 ounces of warm water in my cup, and I'm gonna put a little bit of this base in the cup little by little, and I have my handy dandy spoon, so I'm gonna whisk everything as I mix it in little by little. So I'm gonna put in a little bit and then mix my water. I want to make sure everything mixes really good, because if not, it's not gonna make slime. Okay, so I have mixed in all the base, I have whisked it, and now I need to let it sit for 1 hour. Oh, that's so long to wait. So every 15 minutes, I'm gonna stir it just to make sure it makes a nice gooey syrup consistency. So I'm gonna check it every 15 minutes, and then in 1 hour, it should be done. Okay, so we let our base sit for 1 hour, and it is nice and slimy. So we're gonna divide this into 3 cups, and we're gonna make 3 different colors. So we're gonna put a little bit in this cup, a little bit in this cup, and then the rest. Okay, so next I'm going to add our 3 different colors. So I'm gonna add 1 to each of these cups. It says add 2 to 4 drops, but this paint, okay, so it says add 2 to 4 drops, but this isn't really in dropper form. So I'm just gonna take my paint stick and add a little bit to each one and mix it so it gets like a nice color. So here we have our yellow. Next, I'm gonna make our blue. So I'm just gonna add a little bit of the blue to our mixture. And this one kind of has like a green now since I mixed it with the yellow. I'm gonna add just a little bit more blue to that one to give it a little bit more color. Okay, then last, I'm gonna add the pink. So here we have the pink, and I'm gonna add the pink to the very last one. Okay, so we set aside our base. Now we are going to make the activator. So I have 3 cups of warm water here, and I'm going to add the activator and just mix everything really good. So here we have, so here I'm gonna pour in the activator. And I'm just gonna mix that really good in our warm water. Okay, so I have my activator mixture. I have my bases here. I have my spoon so I can scoop out the bases. And I have my OOZ-O maker. So the first thing I have to do is dip this into the OOZ-O maker to kind of coat it, but I'm not taking any of the liquid with me. Then the first one I'm gonna make is I'm gonna do pink and yellow. I'm just gonna scoop them into my, actually I'll do all three colors. Pink, yellow, and blue. Then I'm gonna just gently mix this. Without spilling it, I'm gonna gently mix this. I wanna coat it. And then I'm gonna swirl it in here. And then should make a nice sphere. So it's separating from my activator here. So it's forming a ball in the activator. So we're gonna count 10 seconds, count with me. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's pick up our sphere, and now we have a nice sphere of slime. Okay, let's go ahead and make another one. Okay, we're gonna dip it in here. Then we are going to, this time I'm just gonna make blue. And then I'm gonna make some yellow. Okay, I'm gonna gently dip it into my activator. And then I'm gonna start swirling it around until it releases. And then it should come loose. Okay, we're gonna let it in there for 10 seconds. Count with me. Kind of looks like a jellyfish. Okay, ready? 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Now we have our sphere. This one looks pretty cool. Okay. Next, I'm gonna make one that is just pink and blue. I think I'm gonna make these a little bit darker at the base. Okay, so I darkened up my colors a little bit. So I have a little bit of the pink, and now I'm gonna pour a little bit of the blue into my OOZ-O maker to get that marbled look. Then I'm going to just gently place it in my water. Then I'm gonna start swirling it around and watch the sphere release. Okay, let's count with me. Every time it releases, it looks like it has a tail, like a tadpole or a jellyfish. Ready? Let's count with me. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. OOZ-O! So this one has a cool pink and blue. Here's that slime. Okay, we're gonna make one more. The last one we're gonna make is pink and yellow. So we're gonna get a little bit of the yellow first. And then we're gonna get a little bit of the pink. And this time I think I'm gonna add like a swirl to try to see if I could get a little bit more of a marble effect. So I'm just gonna swirl it, okay? We're gonna dip it. And then we wanna start twisting it in there. Once it gets hard, it's gonna come loose. Okay. So nice and loose. Let's count. Ready? 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And we made the perfect OOZ-O. I think this is actually the best one. So here we have it, people. Our awesome slimy OOZ-O'S. Nice and oozy. Okay, people, here is a final look at our Uzis that we made today. Now comes the fun part. We're gonna take one of these bad boys and make slimy spheres oozing in the middle. So I think I'm gonna pick the one that has all three colors, the first one we made, for our oozing. So let's go ahead and grab this. And I'm gonna ooze it into one of our cups. Okay, everybody, count with me. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Time to make some ooze. What a oozy goozy slimy mess. That was totally awesome. 3 cheers for oozy slimy spheres. I hope you boys and girls enjoyed making marbled oozy slimy spheres with me today. I'll see you next time. Bye.